It's time to share another hidden feature that sits within ChatGPT-4 that is going to skyrocket your image creation. It's going to feel like it's your personal design studio, but on steroids. Not many people know about it. It's so hidden that actually it's considered a secret within the ChatGPT community. With no technical skills, I'm unveiling how you can harness this power to whip up eye-popping images, streamline your workflow, and save you countless hours. Whether it's for your business, for your marketing, or just making a splash online, get set for a fun ride of image creation. This isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about making your brand visually irresistible in a flash. So buckle up and let's make those seconds count. But before we continue, we have to give big shout out to Gilbatree channel that mentioned this hidden feature for us. Cannot do without real understanding of what are prompts. And prompts are important because they help ChatGPT understand exactly what you are asking. So we need to make sure that they are detailed and very clear to deliver what we are looking for. And this is where the feature is going to help us out. So first, you need to be logging in ChatGPT-4 and within the ellipses, open it up, and then this menu pops up where you are actually going to click on the custom instructions. I'm going to provide you with the link where you can copy and paste the instructions into both windows, okay? These instructions that you are giving and feeding to ChatGPT are going to transform your image creation. So again, thank you to Gilbatree for making this happen for us. Once this is set up, open up a new chat, and now you are ready to input any type of short prompt that you would like to use to create an image. It's so simple. Remember, the main benefits of why we are using the customized instructions is to save us hours in design. So therefore, efficiency will be our best friend. Plus, you are going to be extra creative. You will be able to build ideas and generate incredible logos and promotions for your business, as well as you will be able to design like any other technical designer out there. And as a cherry on the cake, these images are copyright-free images. The applications are countless. You can include them in your web designs, applied across all your social media and publications. And plus, you can save money on hiring an external agency and you building it in-house in your business. Or maybe you're just a freelancer that would like to just earn extra cash. This is a groundbreaking feature. So as our first prompt to generate our very first image, all I wrote was create a picture of a professional female golfer just before winning her Masters. And ChatGPT created a picture, and also it provided me with the prompt description. So you can copy the prompt, maybe save it somewhere, or you can elaborate on that prompt in your next exercise. So the prompt states a photograph of a professional female golfer poised and focused, about to make the winning putt on the 18th green of a prestigious golf tournament. The sun is setting, casting a warm golden hue over the well-manicured course. So we couldn't describe it anywhere better than what ChatGPT did. And this is because of the customized instructions. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So now I wanted to create an image of a female tennis player serving an ace just before winning the Wimbledon Championship in 2024. And the image was breathtaking. Initial prompt, it actually created 2 pictures, so I had a choice to pick any of these images. A week ago, I was using ChatGPT-4 just before I installed the customized instructions. So on the left, you see the same image using the same prompt, and next to it you've got an image with the customized instructions. I think the one on the right is definitely sharper and definitely kind of like more defined, and I don't know, like it just calls my heart, so I love it. The prompt that generated this picture, it describes the picture as a photograph of a unique dog, a blend of Shar-Pei and Staffordshire Bull Terrier with a deep black coat. The dog's distinctive wrinkled skin and loose folds, characteristics of a Shar-Pei, are even more pronounced against its dark fur. Beautiful. So next, I also gave another prompt, and I wanted to see a picture of lighthouse in Florida during a sunrise. Then I asked, give me a hammock between two palm trees overlooking the sea, and here is the photograph. Okay, then I was thinking, okay, can we just add a little bit of humidity to the picture, and here it is. I mean, it already remembers the prompt from before, so you just can add a certain adjective, to your prompt, and it just adds the feature into your pictures. Building images from now on are going to be super, super easy. So then I was thinking, okay, I've got my own company, I've got my brand already developed and a logo developed. So I was thinking, what if I'm starting from scratch, or I want to create a new logo? Let me just experiment with ChatGPT. Of course, we are after efficiency. I'm the own designer, right? So ChatGPT is my tool, and I'm going to create some ideas from a business. So once when I provided ChatGPT with a prompt to build me a new logo for my technology company in 3D effects to give it more futuristic and engaging appearance. And ChatGPT came back and it provided me with 4 options of what I might be using. Okay. I went with the second prompt first, and it created this branding for me. So it's in a green color. Before I used to use, yellow and black and white, but this is still beautiful image. Of course, everything is personal. Down to you to choose it. And as you can see, the prompt 2 was to create a photograph of a 3D logo, glowing edges and holographic project. Next page, I used the prompt 3, which kind of created like a bluish style logo as well, beautifully done. Next, I was thinking, okay, maybe my company needs an emoji, okay? So let's experiment again with my own brand, my own colors, and to see what ChatGPT can create for us. And so in this case is, first I had to provide a picture of my brand, right, for it to actually use it as a base before it starts generating any kind of images. So what you do is you go from the DALL-E 3 settings back to the default, and I've got a picture attached for you how you do it. Okay, so when you hover over ChatGPT-4, the menu will drop out, and you just select the default. Okay, once when you do that, suddenly you will see that on the left hand corner you've got like a small icon for pictures, and you go in, insert the picture, and also provided with a small prompt. And all I did was, can you create an emoji for the attached picture, which is basically my branding. And it came back with the initial two kind of ideas of an emoji. It's interesting how it's starting to use either D or B or I, but I didn't tell the ChatGPT that I'm an analytical business, I analyze data. None of it was giving it to it. So it just basically was able to read it from my logo, from my brand, that I really need some kind of graphs of charts, maybe integrated in my logo. So it's very clever how much can read from an image. So then next I said to ChatGPT, make the colors more vibrant and enhance the tech elements. I want them to be more futuristic, and this image came back. Okay, so again, it's down to individual taste, and as you can see, you can actually take it step by step and build it out to something even cooler. So then each time, of course, it provides you with ideas. You can then take any of the ideas and turn it into another image. And I loved step number 4, where it's actually proposing try experiment with 3D effects to give the tech elements of the logo more futuristic and engaging. So I did. And this came back, and I'm like, wow, definitely I can work with something like this. So this was one, and then also image number 2. So you can tweak the colors, but it has definitely futuristic feel to the emojis. And that's it, my friends. I hope you love this video. I'm so into creation and designing, different images and logos for other companies. And remember, give big shout out to Gilbatree channel that enabled us to talk about this feature today. And plus, please subscribe. I'm a new channel. I'm trying to provide as many tips and tricks for all of us to learn. There's everything about AI, specifically ChatGPT, and all of us are here to learn and to share our content for free with the YouTube communities. Ciao, till next time.